Life. What's it like? Your life. Is it filled to the brim with the ambitions you chase? With making plans and ideas and getting the most out of every day? With finding time for your kids, your love, yourself? With balancing between what you need to do and would love to do? Home. What's your home like? Is it in the middle of the city buzz? Or tucked away in the green? Is it the place where you sleep and return to? Is it a home that brings you rest and peace of mind? A home to the ones you love and to the company you didn't expect? When was the last time you stopped? To look around you, to notice life around you, and discover how it enjoys being close to you. Observing, living, loving, looking for friends, singing songs, growing up, just like we all do. We all need nature, around our homes and in our lives, to break routine, to relieve us from stress, to enjoy it with our loved ones. Bring nature back to your home. Nurture wild birds with the food they love most. To keep them fit and grow up healthily, choose Menu Nature to welcome birds home.